Hello guys, Izeri here with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add extra user fields here in WordPress. So basically what I mean is when you go to users and let's say you click query saying your profile, and then you have all these fields where you can add your username, first name, last name, email address, website. Sometimes you would need extra fields, especially like in my case that I'm building a membership site, and in the membership site the client wants more information other than just usernames and emails and stuff like that. They also want like a job title and also company name. So I'll show you how did I do that. So I'm not gonna go in details to explain the PHP part. I'm gonna explain a little bit the PHP, but not to go in details what is a function and stuff like that. So I'm using the client already had a theme, so it was the Boulevard theme. Not sure where they have bought that, but it's an existing premium theme, and I was just going to modify that one. I already modified. I've created like a new custom post type that the content is all protected and stuff. But my last thing that I had to do was just to add the extra fields. So to add the extra fields, what you have to do is go to your theme directory in your using FTP, and go to your theme and find this file called functions.php. And in functions.php, it doesn't matter where exactly. You can add it on the top or you can add it in the bottom, somewhere here within these PHP tags. Uh, you need to add this extra code. So at the moment, if we see here, we have nothing, but if we copy this code that I have in this extra file without the PHP tag, so just from here, and then we go to functions.php, and then we just paste it somewhere here, and I will save it. And if we go back to check it, we refresh, and here you go. Company information, job title, company name. So this top part, this is a function that that allows us to create this custom fields, and then we have the title, and then we create a table. So within the table we can contain the label, that we see here, and then create the field and also the description underneath, and that is exactly showing here. So the label, and then we have the input field that where we can add the new the job title or the company name, and then we have the company underneath. So now I'll share this code with you, so I don't have to explain exactly in details how it works, but basically that every time that you create a new field, what you can do is just copy this and just create a new field, and then now you have 3 fields. But every time that you add a new field, this tag here has to be always unique. So it's job title and company name, and if you, let's say, want to say to have something like city or something like that, then you have to go and change this one to city. This is basically just the label name. And then you go and you change this to city, the name and the ID, and then you change this part here, and then you go, so that's enough for this part, but then you have to go again here and create a new field and call it city. So just to explain to you, so basically you just copy the code and you just paste it again, and then you have to change all these IDs to make it to be unique for each form field. And then again you have to scroll down, and where it's saying update user meta, you have to create a new field for each new So you have to create a new line of this code from each field that you create, and then you change the IDs. So if I save this, in case I haven't made any typos or anything, it should show city underneath. Okay, so it shows city. So it's pretty simple. So basically you have, once you get this code, you have just to add or remove fields, you just get from the tr to the end of the r where it's saying field ends. So you get all of this, and you just can paste it and create as many as you want, and then you just go down here and corresponding to the fields that you created, you also have to correspond the lines of this code repeated, and then you just change the IDs to whatever fields, the field that corresponds. So it's pretty easy. I'll just delete this now because it's really easy to do. It looks very complex in theory, and it's like you need plugins and all that kind of stuff, but it's really easy to do. So I'm just gonna clean up the code since this is for a client. I don't wanna leave the errors here, so I'm just gonna, okay, so back to normal now. So yeah, basically you go to functions and then you copy this code that I will share in my blog. And if you are on YouTube or any other one of these video sharing websites, just go in the description, and I'll put the link of my blog there, and you can just grab this code and just replace it with whatever fields you need. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.